Hey, Orangey. Hey, Orangey. Oh, fuck you. Orangey. Should we get a Nintendo Switch today, Orangey? Yeah? What do you think? Huh? Yeah? Well, good luck. You're in luck, Orangey. We already have one. What's up, guys? It's me, Cramping His Style, bringing you a YouTube video because I haven't posted in forever. But look at this bitch. You see this? We got ourselves a Nintendo friggin' Switch. Look at this shit. Check it out. Hold on. I'm trying. Orangey. God. There we go. The wrong way to open it. There we go. Look at this bitch. I had to get the black Joy-Cons because they didn't have the red and blue one on deck. I mean, it's still pretty sick though. I still got the red and blue ones separate. It comes with this cool ass tablet. Look at this shit. Oh boy. Boom. Oh man. You got all your cords in here. HDMI cord, power cord, this little controller stand thingy. Yeah. Here's a strap. Instruction guide. Fuck it. Here's your dock. Get your dock in here. Check this bitch out. Oh yeah. They got this badass thing. Look at that. Save your fucking cords and hide them right in there and boom. Yeah. Alright, Orangey, where you at? Orangey. Anyways, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys all in the next video. Peace out.